Okay, we're doing some pretty basic Photoshop stuff today, opening up a file and getting it to the right resolution and stuff like that. So this right here is just a file I already had open. Sometimes when you open up Photoshop, it'll pop up with a previous file that was opened. We can ignore that for now. Photoshop is this icon down here. You click on it, it'll open up Photoshop. And where we're going to go is up here at File. We're going to click on New. And new is going to pop up with this new dialog box right here. And for the project that we're working on right now, we're going to make the file 11 inches wide and 8.5 inches tall. Okay, so resolution needs to be 300 if you're planning on printing it. So that's really important. If it's only going to be shown on a screen, the resolution can be left at 72, but make sure your resolution is 300 for this. So we have 11. And we've already made sure that our units over here are inches. Then we have 8.5. This is your standard letterhead. Not letterhead, letter size. And that's really all you need to do. You can title it here. So I'm just going to call this letter setup. And you hit OK. And there you go. You have a brand new document to work on in Photoshop.